Welcome back to another episode. This is day one of the gutter roof repair. So if you see up there behind me, I was actually able to get the fascia board down and the gutters. It took me a little bit of time. Some of the screws had rusted out, some of the screws broke, but I was finally able to get it down. Now, something interesting. So I had to do a little bit of repair on the roof, pretty much that corner right over here, just for the fact that some of the plywood underneath the shingles was broken. And so that could actually create a leak of one sort or another, even if there's shingles on top of it. So I wanted to make sure I corrected that because I don't want to open something up and not fix it before I close it back in. But why did I do it myself, you ask? Well, again, this is a little bit of a smaller project, and I felt confident since I actually did the shed in the back, and that is still standing. So if you saw the shed video a while back, there you go, right back there. So figured, hey, you know what? I've had some experience with the shingles and with some of the roofing, and the gutters is a little bit newer for me. But again, there's plenty of resources out there. So, not sure if you've ever seen shingles before, but that's the back of a shingle. This is the front. This is the back. Now, if you see that stripe down the middle, that represents tar. Your shingles actually need tar to create a waterproof barrier between the roof itself and the plywood, because you don't want the plywood underneath it to get wet. I believe in doing things right, hopefully doing things right the first time as well. What I will do is I'm gonna make sure that anyone that actually does do any work on this roof after me, or after this job in particular, knows what they're doing. This is why you actually have to screen contractors, because if they don't know what they're doing, you're gonna end up with a big job that's not done right. And that's not how I prefer to do things. So, got some more work to do, but I wanted to show you my progress so far, and hope you tune in for the next update. I'm sure it'll be a good one. All right, see you on the next clip. Bye.